Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will tell you about how you can enable and use OTG in your phone OnePlus 11R. So if in this device if you want to enable and you want to use the OTG, I will tell you how you can do it. Before I move toward the video, if you are new here and watching the video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's watch it.